5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The time has come.
It's finally here.
It's finally here. This is outrageous. Don't joke around.
This is a complete scam. Give me back my ticket.
Refund the ticket.
Refund the ticket.
Refund
Refund
the
the
ticket.
ticket. Refund the
Refund the
ticket.
ticket.
Hello everyone, thank you for watching today. Today, we're going to talk about an essential topic for New Year's Eve, fireworks. On the night of December 31st, 2024, fireworks lit up the sky around the world, making the night lively. Taiwan's fireworks added vibrant colors to the night sky, creating a strong festive atmosphere. In Tokyo, fireworks lit up against the backdrop of Tokyo Tower, creating a particularly romantic atmosphere. And in Paris, the fireworks were like a visual feast, mesmerizing everyone. But what about China? The scene here seems to have been put on mute, enveloped in silence. Although there are no official fireworks displays, when citizens try to set off their own, the police tell them to come have some tea. This gap is hard to believe. Now, please watch the next video.
Five,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2, 1. Where are the fireworks?
Wait a minute.
Damn, it's all a lie.
Let's go. Let's go. Where are the fireworks? Where are they?
It's over. There's nothing.
Damn, what happened to the promised fireworks?
Citizens trying to brighten the night sky with fireworks are told, "No, you can't." Even such a simple expression of joy is subject to regulation. Seeing this, the phrase Chinese dream comes to mind. Freedom, happiness, and a bright future, this vision. But what is the reality? Freedom comes with conditions, and sometimes requires a permit. Of course, safety considerations are necessary. But is such strict regulation going too far? Is regulation necessary to achieve the Chinese dream of pursuing freedom and happiness? Here, I want to ask a question. Police officers, are you the guardians of the Chinese dream, or the destroyers of it? These regulations feel like a dividing line. In most parts of the world, people celebrate the new year with fireworks, while we can only quietly welcome the chimes. Can we not celebrate freedom and happiness with fireworks? Is China's fireworks regulation really necessary? To set off fireworks, one must first obtain a permit. Does this system of permits truly protect freedom, or is it constraining it? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like and share.